Yeah, Rico and I are over. I'm sorry, guys. Laughter, music, everything. It's spontaneity, everything.
For more than 3 years, kinumpirma na ni Maurice Racal ang hiwalayan nila ni Rico Blanco. Matatandaang nagsimula ang kanilang relasyon noong 2021. At ngayong 2024, kinumpirma na mismo ni Maurice Racal ang kanilang breakup ni Rico Blanco. Makikitang naging emotional si Maurice sa press conference sa Star Magic. Hindi napigilan ni Maurice Racal na maging emotional dahil sabi niya ay fresh pa ang kanilang breakup. It was few weeks ago. Makikita sa mga mata ni Maurice Racal ang kanyang kalungkutan at hindi niya napigilan ang kanyang pagluha. May isa pang nag-comment na sabi niya, I'm so sad for Maurice Racal. May na-watch akong video na hula ata yon na maghiwalay sila this year. So ito na yon. Hugs Maurice, stay strong and keep on fighting. Sabi naman ng isa, okay lang yan Maurice. Bata ka pa, meron pang iba dyan na para sa'yo dadating rin. Dami isda sa dagat, makakahuli ka rin ng mas magmamahal at manindigan sa'yo. Akala pa ng iba ay mag-a-announce si Maurice Racal ng kanilang marriage with Rico Blanco. May nag-comment na akala ko mag-a-announce siya ng marriage nila ni Rico Blanco. Napakasakit para sa akin bilang fan nila. Let's just accept the fact that there are people in our lives who will only be with us temporarily to make us happy, but they are not meant for us. At para mas maging updated ka, don't forget to like, comment, at subscribe.